Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Firefox profile and settings for security, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Firefox profile and settings, start by closing Firefox completely. Next, open the File Explorer on your computer. In the address bar, type %aptida%Mozilla/Firefox/profiles and press enter. You will see a list of folders labeled with random characters followed by your profile name. Select the folder that corresponds to the profile you want to backup. Right-click on the folder and choose Copy from the context menu. Now, navigate to the location where you want to store your backup. This could be an external drive, a USB stick, or a different folder on your computer. Right-click in the destination folder and select Paste to save your profile. To backup your Firefox settings, open Firefox and click on the menu button in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Options or Preferences, depending on your operating system. Scroll down to the Firefox Data Collection and Use section. Click on Manage Data to review the settings that are customizable. Consider taking screenshots of important settings or writing them down for reference. Additionally, you can sync your Firefox settings to your Firefox account for extra security. To do this, click on the menu button again, then select Sign in to sync. Follow the prompts to log in or create a new account, and ensure that Preferences is selected for syncing. Once you have copied your profile and set up syncing, reopen Firefox to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you ever need to restore your backup, navigate back to %aptida%Mozilla/Firefox/profiles. Replace the existing profile folder with your copied backup. After replacing, start Firefox to verify that your settings and data have restored successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.